Hello, how are you? Oh my god, it is the hottest day of the year. I am sweltering, but here I am. I'm filming regardless. Mary is having a nap. I got my brand new Glossybox, so I thought I would turn on the camera and see what happens. So here is my box. I have not yet opened it. I really hope it's a good one. And I thought I'd do it with you, so let's rip into her. Ooh, it's a limited edition box. Okay, this box is beautiful. It's a keeper. Look at this. Is that not gorgeous? Oh, it's like a treasure chest with all the seashells. Mine's a little bit bashed, but I hope that I can get her fixed because she is gorgeous. Okay, let's open her up. Okay, so where shall I start? I'm just going to pick everything out at complete random. Ooh, this is the first item. So this is by Baja? I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but it is a body scrub and it's called Lost Paradise. Let's have a smell. Oh my god, that smells so good. I can't even think what it smells like. Kind of like sun cream and the sea and the sun and oh, I love it. It's a little bit sweet. It's a little bit musky. It's really pretty. Oh, I love that. And apparently it contains pineapple extract. So I'm guessing not only does it scrub, but it's got some fruit enzymes to help exfoliate too. So that is the first item. Let's see what's next. Ooh, this is exciting. I've heard a lot about this brand and they're getting a lot of hype and a lot of love, but I've never ever tried them. So I'm super excited for this. This is Two Little Testers by Noted Aromas. This is Rio and Marseille. They're tiny little vials, but I'm looking forward to trying these because I've heard they're really good. They are, perfumes inspired by leading designer brands at prices you can afford. 50ml is $19.99. And I've heard they're like really, really, really good, like designer dupes, but like really good. Like not just like, oh, it vaguely smells like it legit smells like it. Really good quality. I've heard good stuff. I'm excited. I wonder what I should try first. Should I try one now? Should I try Rio? I might try Rio. Let's give it a go. Okay, so this is described as an opulent unisex fragrance with lavish notes, and I had no idea what it was meant to smell like. And then the second I spritzed it on, I was like, 100% Black Orchid by Tom Ford. It really, really smells like Tom Ford's Black Orchid. So I'm thinking that's what it's inspired by. And I'm really impressed. It smells really good. I have owned that perfume quite a few times. I love it. It's gorgeous. I have not bought myself a bottle recently because it's really expensive and I don't have the money. But my God, that smells really good. I'm looking forward to trying the next one, but I'll do that in another video. Anyway, let's see what's next. By the way, I think I might have to try some more stuff by Noted Aromas because this is honestly so good. Anyway, let's try the next thing because oh God, I'm on a high from this box. It's so good. Ooh, the next item we've got is by espa and this is a hair conditioner. I love espa products. Their hair stuff is phenomenal. So yeah, I'm excited about that. Let's hope there is a shampoo to match. Haha, yes, there is. I told you I was opening this box at random. I was not kidding because otherwise I would have opened the shampoo and then the conditioner. So you know this video is legitly opened randomly. Anyway, that is espa shampoo and conditioner. Love it. Great item. Let's move on. Okay, I am struggling to get this in focus, but it is a gel lip liner by Appeal. Looks like a nice colour. I'll give it a go. And yeah, that is the next item. And then we have a mascara by Tease, who I do not know, but this is called Drama Ultra Volume Mascara. So again, I'll give that a go. This looks full size as well. What size is that? 9ml. That is full size. This is a good box. Glossybox are killing it this month. Okay, and the last item is, ta-da, by Rituals. Okay, there it is. Now it is in focus. This is just a little soap. It is a 40-gram soap. Let's give it a smell. Oh, that's good. I can't quite get what it smells like, but it smells really good. Sunshiny, creamy. Oh, lovely. Just really clean and fresh. Kind of milky and almondy. I probably got that completely wrong, but it smells really good. But yeah, that is the entire box. I think it is one of the best glossy boxes in absolute ages. I'm really excited that I got to try Noted fragrances. which, by the way, so impressed by the way. Oh my God, it's so good. Love Rituals, love the soap, love espa shampoo and conditioner. That's such a treat. What else did we get? A conditioner, a body scrub, a mascara, a lip liner. I think it's a really, really, really good box. Great value. Love Glossybox all the time. Love them. But I think this is a very, 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 very good box. So that is my video. What do you think? Yeah, let me know in the comments and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye. By the way, oh my God, I am so sweaty. Okay, bye.